Hi guys, Mike Newton here, back in the studio here at Barrow Golf Club. Today I just want to talk a little bit about the importance of the lie angle of the golf club. Okay, so for the ones of you who don't understand maybe what a lie angle is or have never heard of the terminology of a lie angle, basically the lie angle is this angle here measured from the hosel of the golf club to where the ground will be. So if you appreciate different heights, builds, and also way golfers swing the golf club, this lie angle can be delivered at different positions at points of impact. Okay, so that's what we're going to have a little look at today. What I've got here is two clubs. I play with Srixon irons myself, so I've got two identical irons here, identical shafts, identical length. Okay, but one is a standard lie angle and one is 2 degrees more upright, which is my spec. I'm 2 degrees upright. I've got a standard one in this hand. So I'm going to hit them side by side, and using HMT, I'm just going to have a little look at the lie angle dynamically. This is important, but as you deliver the club to the ball at impact, it's going to measure how that lie angle is produced, basically in a measurement of degree. Okay. What a lot of golfers say to me is when they set up to a golf ball, the toe of the club, I'll point this way, the toe of the club sometimes looks like it's sat in the air. Okay. Now that is absolutely fine because that is at setup and not impact, and that's the crucial thing you've got to look at here. And this is where HMT will measure that dynamically, because as you swing the golf club, the club naturally wants to bow downwards, and also you generally deliver your hands in a higher position at impact than you would do at setup. So that obviously will change how that club is delivered to that golf ball. Okay, so first of all, we're going to set off. We'll hit Watson with mine, which is 2 degrees upright. So this is my spec. So these should be pretty good. Okay, not a bad shot there. A little bit low in the face of the strike, but let's have a quick look at that data. Okay, so as you can probably see there, strike was quite central actually. It felt a little bit low to me, but that was pretty perfect, to be honest. So it gives us obviously our deliverance angles, attack angle, dynamic loft, etc. This is a 6 iron I'm hitting here, but you can see there lie angle minus 0.2 of a degree. So we're not going to get too fussy on 0.2 of a degree. So that is pretty much perfect there. So, but that is my iron. So I've fitted myself for these irons. So that's where we want it basically. Okay, so I'm just going to hit one with a flat lie angle, and we'll see how that looks in comparison. Well, when I say flat, it is standard lie, but it's 2 degrees flat to what I have mine. Okay, so just change this on here. Okay, probably wasn't my best strike there, to be honest, but definitely move right of target, start a little bit right and move further right. Just interested to see maybe what that lie angle is measuring at there. Okay, so yeah, again, little bit toe side on the strike, but not by a great deal, to be honest. But you can see the lie angle change there, so minus 1.6. Okay, so we're nearer to 2 degrees of that toe playing down at impact. So if a golf club is too flat for you, you will generally play the toe more into the ground than the heel, okay? And that, more often than not, will try and point the club face more right of target, and your shots generally finish more right unless you're making some change of action there. Path did get a little bit inside there. Face was angled to the path was pretty good, but you can see it just delivered a little bit more dynamic loft to the shot there, but that definitely has moved more right of target. Okay, so this is something that we can do for yourselves through our custom fit process, whether it's buying a new set or even if your current set, you just want to get your lies tested. We can use the HMT technology in here. We can do the lie test, see where they're at for your particular golf swing, and then we can actually change them in-house. We do have a Scuba Loft and Lie digital machine, so we can alter your current clubs quite easily at quite a low cost, to be honest. So it's worth getting them checked out. And this time of the year is good to do that, because then you can get them ready for next season. As you're practicing, you can work and make sure the clubs are suited to you, basically. So if that's the sort of service you fancy having a go at, just obviously please contact us in the pro shop. We can soon get you onto the HMT, get some data like this, and just see if your clubs are either perfect or if they need tweaking, they need tweaking. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all soon. Thank you.